Hello student, as already we have completed question number 5 in our first video. Now see, in the second video we are going to solve question number 7, 8 and 11. Now question number 7 is the diagonals of a rectangles ABCD meet at O if angle BOC equal to 44 degree, find angle OAD. So here first you have to draw one rectangle. Draw one rectangle, and in this rectangle name it A, B, C, D, and they are meet at diagonals. See, these are AC and BD are the diagonals, and these diagonals are meet at O. So angle BOC, this is given as a 44 degree, and you have to find the angle OAD. This one you have to find OAD. Now see carefully, this is 44 degree. So yes, this is also 44 degree vertically opposite angles. So angle, we can write here solution, angle DOA is equal to angle BOC, vertically opposite angles. So angle DOA is equal to how much? Angle BOC is how much? 44 degree. So this is also 44 degree. Now if you see in a rectangle, these are the diagonals are bisecting each other. It means OA is equal to OC is equal to OD is equal to OB. All this OA, OB, OC, OD are equal because the diagonals in the rectangle is always equal. So here we can write angle OAD is equal to angle ODA. Since you can write here, since OA equal to OB is equal to OC equal to OD. Now start triangle property. In triangle AOD, angle OAD plus angle ODA plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degree. What is angle OAD? OAD and OD are same. So we have to find OAD. So we'll write here twice angle OAD because these two angles are what? These two angles are equal. So twice angle OAD plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degree. So twice angle OAD plus what is AOD? It is 44 degree equal to 180 degree. So twice of angle OAD is equal to 180 degree minus 44 degree, which is equal to 6, and here it is 7. So this is 3, 136 degree. So angle OAD is equal to 136 degree divided by 2, which is equal to 6. 2 6 are 12 and 2 8 are 16. So answer will be your 68 degree. Now see question number 8. In a question number 8, again one rectangle is given. So in this rectangle, angle ABD. So it means this is ABCD. So ABD, it means ABD is given how much? 40 degree. And you have to find angle DBC. You have to find this angle DBC. This is very easy. We know that angle subtended in a rectangle or a square is always 90 degree. So we can write here angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. This is your 90 degree. Now angle ABC is made of the two angles, that is angle ABD plus angle DBC, which is equal to 90 degree. So ABD is given 40 degree plus angle DBC equal to 90 degree. So angle DBC is equal to 90 degree minus 40 degree, which is equal to 50 degree. This is your answer. Just you have to make this angle as a 90 degree and split this two into a two angle, that is angle ABD plus angle DBC. Now question number 11. In question number 11, the lengths of a diagonals of a rhombus are 24 centimeter and 18 centimeter. So one rhombus is given, I already drawn here. ABCD is your rhombus. So ABCD is a rhombus. And according to the property of the rhombus, we know that the diagonals are bisecting each other and they are mutually perpendicular to each other. So here OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. And in question it is given as a AC is equal to the lengths of the two given. So AC is given 18 centimeter and BD is given as a 24 centimeter. So this one, this AC is given and this BD is given. Now we know that this OA equal to OC. So I can write as a OA is equal to what? AC divided by 2, because OA is equal to OC. So OA equal to half of AC. So AC is how much? AC is equal to 18 divided by 2. This is equal to 9 centimeter. Similarly, you find for OB. OB is equal to what? Yes, OB is equal to BD by 2. So this is BD by 2. What is BD? BD is here 24 by 2. So this is equal to 12 centimeter. So here see, this portion OA is equal to 9 and this portion, this one is equal to how much? 12. And according to the rhombus, this is your what? 90 degree, because diagonals are perpendicular to each other. They make the angle 90 degree. So now this triangle ABO is a right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle ABO, we can use the Pythagoras theorem. AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. So this is equal to 9 square plus 12 square. So this is equal to 81 plus 144, which is equal to 5, and this is 2. So this is 2 to 5. So AB is equal to how much? 15 centimeter. Okay, I'll write here. AB is equal to square root of 2 to 5. So this is equal to 15 centimeter. So this AB is your 15 centimeter. We have to find all the sides of the rhombus, and we know that the rhombus is a square where all the sides are equal. So I can write here, since in rhombus AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD, therefore AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD is equal to 15 centimeter. I hope this is clear to all of you. Now if you have any doubt, you can ask me by message or phone. Next is question number 10. You take as a homework, because the question number 10 is exactly same as a question number 3. So you do the question number 10 in A4 size paper and submit in my WhatsApp number. And also you have to do all this question number 5, 7, 8 and 11 neatly